If you've been watching this channel for a while, you've probably noticed something. The camera angles in my videos look a little different from what you'd normally see in a Plotagon video. And if you're a Plotagon user yourself, you already know. The app doesn't give you those kinds of shots. So the question a lot of people have been asking is, today, I'm going to answer that question once and for all. But first, I have to tell you about the app I'm using, which is Plotagon. Plotagon is a digital tool that allows users to create animated movies from written screenplays. It simplifies the process of storytelling by enabling anyone to write a story, choose actors, environments, and music, and automatically produce an animated film. It transforms text into engaging animated videos without requiring complex animation skills. Step 1. Get your reference image from Plotagon. Open Plotagon, search through the scenes, and select a suburban street location. Click on it, hit the camera toggle button, and set it to an establishing shot. This is going to be our outdoor reference. Run your animation, then render the footage and bring it into your editing software. I use Filmora, but CapCut and KineMaster work just as well. Once your footage is in your editing software, take a screenshot of the establishing shot. This is the reference image we're going to use for every single building we generate today. You only need this one image. It's the foundation for everything. Step 2. Generate your custom building images. Head over to Higgsfield AI and Higgsfield.ai. Head to the image section of Higgsfield AI and select the model Nano Pro. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and the quality to 4K. The better your image quality, the more detail the AI has to work with when generating your video. Now drop in your suburban street screenshot as the reference image. From here, we can transform that same house into any building we want. I'm going to walk you through 4 examples. Building 1, the house. Cinematic establishing shot. If you've been using Plotagon, then you're familiar with his establishing shot. So today, let's do something different, something good. Now, all you have to do is write this prompt on your screen. Select Kling 3.0, set your image as the start frame, paste the same prompt, and generate your clip. Want a different angle? Try a drone pullback instead, where the camera starts at ground level and rises up into the sky, revealing the neighborhood below. This works especially well as an ending shot. Now, all prompts used in this video will be in the description below. Just copy and paste. Building 2, Police Department. Take your suburban street reference image and head back to the Nano Pro image generator. Use this prompt. Generate the image. You should get a result with a proper police station, police vehicles out front, and an American flag on top of the building. Now take that generated image into Kling 3.0 as your start frame. Paste in this camera movement prompt on your screen and generate your establishing shot clip. Look, there's no way you can tell me this isn't cool.
I'm better. I am better.
Building 3, hospital. Same process. Go back to Nano Pro. Use the same suburban street reference image and use this prompt. Generate your image, then bring it into Kling 3.0 and use this camera prompt. Generate, and you'll have a professional hospital establishing shot ready to use. Let's take a look. Building 4, school. Back to Nano Pro. Same reference image, new prompt. Generate your image, bring it into Kling 3.0 as the start frame, apply this camera movement prompt, and generate. The result gives you a school exterior with a waving flag and a clean driveway. Perfect for cutting into a classroom scene right after. Bonus, you can generate a barbershop, a church, a gym, literally any location you can describe. The process is always the same. Nano Pro. Transform the house into your desired building. Kling 3.0. Turn that image into a cinematic video clip using your camera prompt. Just tell the AI what building you want. Keep the texture consistent with the reference image and generate. The results speak for themselves. And that is how I get every establishing shot and cinematic camera angle you've seen across my videos. Plotagon builds the story. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm uploading more tutorials like this regularly, and you don't want to miss them. If you know someone who's into animation and trying to level up their videos, share this with them. It could save them a lot of time figuring this out on their own. If you want to start making money from your Plotagon videos on YouTube, I think you would want to watch this video where I teach you how it's done. I'll see you there!